Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and I'm showing you a really neat truck today. It's a 75 Ford, and there you can see it has 76 and 77 park entrance stickers from here in South Dakota. Sold new in Huron, 36,000 miles, and that's documented. It was used as a farm truck, so there's some chips and scratches, original paint on it. Front all looks pretty good there. We put new tires on it. But it's really cool that way. We're being original. 36,640. Interior's good, all except for that speaker grill cut out over there. Headliners here, seats good. Iron mat's good. Doors. Mat's in the way. Yep, mat was just in the way. So like I said, you got some scratches up here from just using it. Farm truck out in western South Dakota. I think it was the grandpa's and he had passed away. So if you're into originality, documented low miles, this is a pretty cool truck that way. Runs and drives like it's got 36,000 miles too. Got the old gun rack in the back. Said that door panel's bad. Right there, got kind of a spot where the doors hit. So, really cool truck. Nice original pickup. You don't see them original but once. So any questions? 605-695-7391.